Preparing for the U.S. Naturalization Interview? This full-length video delivers a realistic mock and real USCIS citizenship interview walkthrough, covering speaking, reading, writing, Part 9 vocabulary, civics test, personal background, and moral character questions as per new USCIS policy, which will be maintained very strictly onward. In this realistic mock interview simulation, you'll experience what it's like to sit in a USCIS interview room. You'll learn how to confidently answer questions, avoid common mistakes, and pass your interview on the first try. Are you interested in seeing more real interview demos of the U.S. citizenship process? For more real mock interview of U.S. citizenship, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. John Anderson?
Yes, that's me.
Good morning. I am Officer Nancy, and I will be conducting your citizenship interview today. Please follow me.
Sure.
Place your belongings on the table and remain standing. I'll need you to swear before we begin the interview. Can you raise your right hand?
Sure.
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Please put your hand down and have a seat.
Thank you.
Do you know what you just promised?
Yes, officer. I promise to tell the truth.
Do you know what taking an oath means?
Yes. It's a public promise that I must do truthfully.
Please let me know if any of your answers have changed since submitting your application. Okay.
Okay.
Please show me your appointment notice and photo ID.
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Okay. Can you please state your full name?
My full name is John Michael Anderson.
Have you ever used any other names?
No. I have not.
Where were you born?
I was born in Oslo, Norway.
Do you have any other nationality or citizenship?
No. I only hold Norwegian citizenship.
Have you ever lived anywhere outside of Norway before coming to the U.S.?
Yes. I lived in Germany for 2 years for work, before moving to the U.S.
What is your date of birth?
It's June 14, 1985.
Who raised you growing up?
I was raised by both my parents, along with my elder sister.
Do you have siblings?
Yes. one elder sister, and one younger brother.
What are their names and dates of birth?
My sister is Anna Marie Anderson, born on March 3, 1983. And my brother is Eric Johan Anderson, born on September 9, 1988.
Where do your siblings live currently?
Anna lives in Oslo, and Eric lives in Stockholm, Sweden.
Do you have any other close relatives living in the U.S.?
Yes. I have an uncle living in Chicago, Illinois.
What is his name and relationship to you?
My uncle, Henrik Larsson. He is my mother's brother.
Have you ever lived with your extended family in the U.S.?
No. I have not.
What are your parents' full names?
My father's full name is Lars Anderson, and mother's full name is Ingrid Anderson.
Where do your parents live now?
They live in Bergen, Norway.
What do your parents do for a living?
My father is retired, and my mother works part-time as a teacher.
Were any of your parents married before their age of 18th?
No.
Have your parents ever lived in the U.S.?
No, they have not.
What is your mailing address?
1234, Desert View Lane, Phoenix, Arizona, 85001.
What is your alien registration number?
A9876543321.
What is your social security number?
8529173660.
What is your current address?
1234, Desert View Lane, Phoenix, Arizona, 85001.
Have you lived anywhere else in the U.S. since becoming a permanent resident?
Yes. I lived in Denver, Colorado, for 2 years, before moving to Phoenix.
What is your current phone number?
It's 480-555-7392.
Do you have an alternate phone number?
Yes. My work phone number is 602-555-9845.
Do you have an email address?
Yes. It's me.ander777@gmail.com.
Do you have a USCIS online account number?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Are you currently married?
Yes.
Where was your spouse born?
She was born in Boston, Massachusetts.
What is your spouse's full name and date of birth?
Her name is Emily Grace Anderson, and she was born on March 22, 1987.
Do you or your spouse have any previous marriages?
No. This is our first marriage.
Please show me your marriage certificate.
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Do you have children?
Yes. I have 2 children. A son and a daughter.
Have you or your spouse ever adopted a child?
No, we have not.
What are your children's full names and dates of birth?
Lucas Michael Anderson, born on July 2, 2013. And Sophia Grace Anderson, born on December 15, 2016.
Please show me your children's birth certificate.
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Do your children attend school?
Yes. Lucas attends elementary school, and Sophia attends preschool.
Have you traveled outside the United States in the last 5 years?
Yes. I visited Australia, Germany, and Brazil multiple times.
What was the purpose of your last visit?
To meet a family friend.
Have you ever been outside the U.S. for more than 6 months at a time?
Yes. I stayed in Norway for 9 months, in 2018, due to a family emergency.
Okay. Now I'll carefully review your N-400 application to ensure all information is accurate. And you've also filled it out thoroughly, understanding all the requirements and instructions. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen. But I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know, and I'll explain that. Okay.
Okay.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No, officer.
What are overdue taxes?
Taxes, not paid on time.
Have you ever been part of the Communist Party or totalitarian group?
No. Never.
What is Communist Party?
Political group, with no private property.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No. Never.
What is dictatorship?
Government with one ruler, full power.
Have you ever done sabotage?
No. I have not.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No. Never.
Have you ever taken part in torture?
No, officer.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No, officer.
Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No, officer.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
What is claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
Said, you are a U.S. citizen.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No. Never.
What is file tax return?
Send tax form to the government.
What is non-resident?
Not living as a U.S. resident.
Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No. Never.
Have you ever forced sexual activity on anyone?
No. Never.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No, I have never served in the military or police of another country.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No. Never.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No, I have never been convicted of a crime or offense.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I have never been deported.
Have you ever worked in a prison or detention place?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped a group that used weapons?
No. Never.
Have you ever sold or transport weapons?
No. Never.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No, I have never been arrested.
Have you ever failed to support dependents or pay alimony?
No. I have not.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No, officer.
What are deportation proceedings?
Court process to remove someone.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No. I have not.
What is registered to vote?
Signed up to vote.
Have you ever committed assault?
No, officer.
What is assault?
Attack someone.
Have you ever killed or tried to kill anyone?
No.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No.
What is national origin?
Country, where a person is from.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No, officer.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I understand.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No, officer.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, officer.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes. I will.
What is bear arms?
Carry and use weapons.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, officer. I will.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes. I will.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
How many states does the United States have?
Great job. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. The United States has 50 states. Excellent! You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you so much.
Now we will conduct the civics portion of your interview. I'm going to ask you up to 10 questions, and you'll need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer orally, as best as you can.
Sure. I will.
If you do not understand a question, tell me, and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please listen carefully to each question. What is freedom of religion?
You can practice any religion, or not practice a religion.
How many U.S. senators are there?
100.
The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these words?
We the people.
What are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence?
Life. Liberty.
What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful?
Checks and balances.
What is an amendment?
A change to the Constitution.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
What did the Emancipation Proclamation do?
Freed the slaves.
Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II?
Franklin Roosevelt.
What is the supreme law of the land?
The Constitution.
Great! You have passed the civics test.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions for me?
No. I'm good.
Do you provide financial support to any relatives outside the U.S.?
Yes. I occasionally help my parents in Norway with expenses.
Have any of your relatives ever been involved in legal issues in the U.S. or abroad?
No, not to my knowledge.
Have you ever lived with family members outside the U.S.?
Yes. I lived with my parents in Norway during my early education years.
Do you have any family members who are U.S. citizens?
Yes. My wife and my children are U.S. citizens.
Have you ever sponsored any relatives for immigration to the U.S.?
No. I have not.
Have you ever lived with relatives who are not immediate family?
No, only with my parents and siblings growing up.
Have you ever been responsible for caring for family members?
Yes. I cared for my father during a recent health issue and helped raise my younger siblings when my parents were busy with work.
What is your current occupation?
I work as a software engineer at TechWave Solutions in Phoenix, Arizona.
How long have you worked there?
I've worked there since March 2019.
Do you have any professional certifications?
Yes. I have certifications in AWS Cloud Solutions and Python programming.
Have you ever been unemployed for more than a year since becoming a permanent resident?
Yes. I was unemployed for about 8 months in 2017 while looking for work after my visa expired.
Have you ever worked without authorization in the U.S.?
No. I have always worked legally.
Where did you attend school?
I attended the University of Oslo and earned a bachelor's degree in computer science.
Have you ever been disciplined or terminated from a job?
Yes. I was let go from a short-term consulting position in Germany in 2013 due to company downsizing.
Have you ever failed to file taxes or owe back taxes?
No. I have always filed my taxes on time.
Have you ever been involved with any organizations that advocate violence or overthrowing the government?
No. I have not.
Have you ever lied on an immigration application?
No. I have always provided truthful information.
Do you owe any debts to the government like student loans or federal fines?
Yes. I have a student loan, but it is current and being paid regularly.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No, I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Have you ever rented or owned property?
Yes. I currently own my house in Phoenix.
Have you ever been arrested or charged with a crime in the U.S. or any other country?
Yes. I received a traffic citation in Arizona for a speeding violation in 2022.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime?
No. I have never been convicted of any crime.
Have you ever overstayed outside the U.S.?
Yes. As I mentioned earlier, I stayed in Norway for 9 months in 2018 due to a family emergency. I reported my extended stay to USCIS immediately.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, I have never been a habitual drunkard.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law, but not been arrested?
No, I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution?
No. Never.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No. Never.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No. Never.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs, like selling, smuggling, or using?
No. Never.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
No. Never.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No. Never.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No. Never.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No, officer.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No, I have never married someone just to get an immigration benefit.
What is immigration benefit?
Legal status or right from immigration.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No. Never.
Have you ever helped someone to enter the U.S. illegally?
No, I have never helped anyone to enter the U.S. illegally.
Thank you for answering all the questions. After reviewing your application and test results, we will notify you about the decision regarding your naturalization. You may leave now.
Thank you.
You too.